There you are. Today we got a new video. We're going to be talking about the MaxiBright Daylight 660 Watts Pro. Right now I'm here with the product, so here we go. Let's go. MaxiBright is an English brand. It designs lighting for horticulture since 1989. Even I was not born at that time. The 660 range is a mix between a Zeus from Lumitech and a Spider from Canon LED. And boom, it gives the MaxiBright. This brand offers several ranges, as I said in the last video, which is either on the left or on the right. But here we will focus on the 660 range and more particularly on the Pro version. Very important thing, do not forget to remove the protective cover on the LED bars. It can cover a maximum area of 150 centimeters by 150 centimeters for a consumption of 660 watts. And if you wonder what that is equivalent to, it is about 924 watts in HPS. It is equipped with the movable dimmer. I have placed it right here so you can see it correctly. You can manage the intensity from 25 to 100%, and you can even turn it off by moving it to the far left. Levels characteristics, the Daylight 660 Watts Pro of the Luma LED and the OSRAM that will offer you a complete spectrum adapted for the growth and bloom. Some people complain because I hid the promo code a little too well. So this time I'm going to post it right here so you can take advantage of the 5% off of the Daylight 660 Pro. The product measures approximately 111 centimeters by 106 centimeters for a height of 7 centimeters. The product is plug and play. It comes with the power cable, suspension cables. The hook for the suspension cable is super convenient. It heats up very little, and on top of that, doesn't make any noise. I hope you like this video. Don't hesitate to leave a blue thumb, drop a comment, and activate the bell. It was Mikhail. I'm going to do a little tanning session because soon is summer and I'm a little too white. I'll see you next time. Ciao.